Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Study Crypto, where we discuss all things crypto. Now today we are talking about a new project that has garnered a lot of hype in the DeFi community. We are going to be talking about Liquid Capital. In this video, I'll do a quick overview of the projects. And also, I give you guys my concerns and my thoughts on this project. So stay tuned. But before we do so, please make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel. And if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up. Finally, if you have any questions, concerns, or any comments, please leave them below. And I will make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, remember, at Study Crypto, everything we offer is not financial advice. This is literally just edutainment and entertainment for your purposes only. Make sure to do your own research, especially in crypto. Crypto can be really risky, so everything I'm offering to you, just take it with a grain of salt, because this is not financial advice. In simplicity, Liquid Capital is a new DeFi project garnered together by some familiar faces in the DeFi space. There are individuals from the Great Finance team and also from Titano. For many of you that are familiar with Titano and the Great Finance, keep in mind Titano has been around for quite some time, and at a point it was really profitable. Great Finance has been a great investment, especially throughout the bear market. It has been standing up pretty strong. Many that are in it are really satisfied. Now let's get into some details about this auto rebasing project. Liquid Capital is designed to deliver what DeFi investors desire most: safety and sustainability and price stability. Built and managed by a team of successful DeFi veterans who use the most effective strategy and tools, the project will set a new standard in the DeFi space in terms of profitability, sustainability, and safety. Now, we'll go through the white paper in quite some time, but just to let you guys know, like stated before, this is an auto rebase project. I'm not really sure how I feel right now about auto rebase project, because as we've seen, one of the problems with the auto rebase tokens is that they just keep printing more tokens, in essence making them an inflationary product by which over time it just decreases value. However, this project does seem to address that issue by having a variable APY, and we'll get into that. But right now, let's get into the auto rebasing aspect of this. Liquid Capital first protocol, Liquid AR, exemplifies what Liquid Capital stands for. LAR's unique tokenomics prioritizes long-term sustainability and grow over short-term hype. At the core, it's a highly sustainable variable daily percentage yield that updates based on the health of the project. Furthermore, the multi-chain launch with all of the Circle of Trust Partners protocol incentivizes participation and cooperation among all the communities involved. LAR will be the first protocol to demonstrate the full potential of having a DeFi Circle of Trust, where a multitude of partners can come together to share ideas, strategies, technologies, and marketing resources for maximum mutual benefit. It will mark a new era in DeFi. So this is great. The fact that they are partnering with many other projects is amazing. The fact that they are also looking to somehow build that sustainability is amazing as well. Now you can go on their Discord and you can check out the link of partners. They have anywhere from Titano, Orbital, Great, Miniverse, EMS, EMP. They have so many partners. My only concern is that what is the involvement with these projects? They say that they are partners and they are looking to strategize and market for one another. However, if, let's say, for example, EMP, why would EMP focus more on Liquid Capital as opposed to focusing on their project and building their projects? Why not focus and put that energy into your project? So I'm wondering if this whole partnership is really something that is solid, or is this type of just a marketing scheme to just say, hey, let's become partners and let's just put that out there as information. However, you really don't have to have any sort of involvement. LAR is the access key to the Liquid Capital ecosystem. And what will be offered will be dynamics APY. So the sustainable dynamic APY is based on volume. 30 minutes rebases, that means every 30 minutes you will gain more tokens. Like stated, it is an auto rebasing token. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just purchase this token and you will receive it. Variable taxes, variable rate sell and buy taxes designed by the protocol. Investment safety, liquid tokens always remain in your wallet, no stake in protocol or own contract, and always under your control. Automatic payments, sustainable dynamic APY. Now let's go to their white paper. Another thing to note is that the key core team members of this project are KYC by Obsidian House of Counsel, and they just recently got their KYC and they are fully docked. So that is good to know, especially with crypto and DeFi. We all know that it can sometimes be really risky. So it is great to know that they are fully KYC and they offer that peace of mind for us. Like stated about the team, they are doxed and they also have been around in the crypto space for quite some time as well. So like stated previously, this is a auto rebasing token, and if you go on their white paper, you're able to see their returns. So from month 1, you're getting anywhere from 1 to 2%, month 2 anywhere from 0.75 to 1.75%, month 3 0.5 to 1.5% daily, and month 4 0.25 to 1.25% daily. Now remember, this will be fluctuated and it will pretty much change depending on the volume. Now let's get into the buy and sell fees. For all of you that don't know, this pretty much means that whenever you buy, there is a tax imposed on that purchase, and whenever you sell, there is a tax imposed as well. So that buy is going to be 15% and that sell is going to be 20%. They also pretty much lay out per day how these taxes are implemented. So for the first 30, 31 to 60, and 61 plus days, there will be a 15% buy tax. Now that sell tax initially is pretty high, 26%. And I saw somewhere that this was going to be changed to around 30%. And then it also goes lower as the days go on. The idea here is that they want to incentivize individuals to stay into this project. And they also want to manage the flow and maintain that sustainability. Again, one key thing about this project that we keep seeing over and over is sustainability, which is great. Finally, I do want to mention that there are also audits that will be completed, if not completed already, at the time of you watching this video. Now, one of the things I want to know is that the pre-sale is going on right now, and currently they have raised around $2 million. And the interesting thing is that you can actually purchase this token through any one of their partners. Me personally, I purchased this through Titano. The great thing is that when you purchase it through your partner, is that your partner actually gets some type of kickback, which is a good thing because it also helps obviously boost up that particular project. The pre-sale has been going on for quite some time. That could be a good thing, and it can also be a negative thing. So my thoughts on this is that, again, it is a rebase project. I'm not really too fond of rebase projects because, like I said, I do feel like they do become inflationary. Another thing that I wasn't fond of is the pre-sale. It pretty much went on for about a week and change. At the time of watching this video, the pre-sale is currently going on and there is only a few days left. So if you do want to get in, please make sure to do so. I will leave links in the description below. But like stated, the pre-sale lasted for quite some time, which I feel like is also another negative because it's not really created a sense of urgency, and many individuals could purchase during the pre-sale. And I just feel like initially there was a lot of hype, but as of right now, there's really not so much hype. So what will create that buying pressure later on in the future? They need to introduce something. They need to introduce what they are building on in order for that buy pressure to be there. Good thing is they do have that tax implemented, so that is a good thing. It prevents individuals from selling because they take such a huge loss, especially initially. I'm curious to see how this is going to play out. They claim to say that this would change the future of DeFi. They do have a lot of individuals involved, a lot of influencers as well. So let's see how it will play out in the long term. Overall, they do have a nice presentation. They are partners and they do have a nice veteran staff behind them, so that it is a plus. Also, I just want to note the price right now is 0.10, so that's 10 cents. After the pre-sale ends, that price will jump up to 0.12, which is 0.12 cents. So let's see how that price will either stay stable, either go up or go lower as this project seems to launch. They do have a lot of hype behind them, so who knows? Let's see what will happen. But there you have it. This is Study Crypto. This is your quick overview of Liquid Capital. And like I stated, the pre-sale is live at the time of recording of this video. And at the time of you watching it, it will still have a few days left. So if you do want to jump into it, please make sure to do so. Thank you and see you next time.